never going to remember this scene. I can promise you.
Rolling.
Rolling. Pork belly. With
Pork
this
belly,
food.
baby.
Oh my god. And
Toasted
tequila.
Tequila
It's
pork
not like
bellies.
the fucking we have gone to heaven.
Oh yeah, we fucking got heaven.
Guests. So who is this?
My lady, I am the royal Dick.
Royal Dick.
Yes, I am the king of. Can you guess where I'm the king of?
Dicks. Hello there, lovely lady.
Hello there.
Welcome to Pot and Pans.
I'm a little nervous about the size of that, but you know.
So I will have some of this and then save you some, so it won't be like, because typically it's like 3 to 4 hits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
So we'll be sharing that.
I did hear you were heavyweight.
Holy shit. Drink some water. You don't need water after that? I took the hit for us, honey.
That's just the kind of threesome I want. You take the hard part. Just what I want. That's good. You can come work for me anytime.
I have to show everybody my Christmas present. Oops.
It's so. Oy.
Oi.
Fugazi made that for you, didn't he? Fugazi, you know?
What's that mean?
It's like not a stand-up guy. You know, because like it fell apart right away. Oh, was it from your man?
It was.
I take it all back.
It needs a good riveting. That's what it needs.
That necklace comes with. It's many good rivetings.
We have to have a celebratory shot. You know what? I'm going to even do something better than a celebratory shot.
I like it.
What you think is in there is not what it is. So, there is a monkey that eats coffee beans.
No. I
What?
read about this.
Okay.
And they pick him out of their poop.
Okay, so
And they're like very expensive because there's special something happens intestinally to make them the best coffee beans in the world. But those look like blueberries.
well, you're about to find out.
I don't want to tell you what the top of that looks like. Is your man good for more than just bad riveting? Like, who made this?
Yeah, you just wonder about that for a while.
Why do you have to break it apart like that? What kind of food gets broken apart?
So I am officially engaged.
Oh!
So this is a celebratory
Mazel tov.
toast to that. So I made us a specialty drink.
Are you engaged to a monkey who shit out these beans for us?
You've met him. So it's organic strawberry lemonade with top shelf vodka and monkey shit. Type cheers.
Let's switch them in case you poison me. Nothing. I'm not whispering. Nothing.
Yeah, I was just playing with you. So these are, you guessed it, organic frozen blueberries are in here
I
to keep
guessed
it nice and cold.
I don't remember guessing it, but that's what happens on this show. You don't remember what you did 5 minutes ago. But I'm pretty sure I did not guess that. But I might have. I'm not sure, actually. This is good. I feel like I could have like 3 cigarettes right now and call it a night. Just saying. gonna get in trouble if I drink this.
We're gonna go really
Did you
slow.
have a sip of yours?
I did.
Oh, good.
But you know what? Do we really have an official toast? I don't remember.
Is that blonde back yet? Tell me when she's coming so I can put this away.
I did hear you.
Oh! She's crafty, that one. Got good ears. You think she'll notice if I finish them both?
Yes, I will.
Oh!
Guess what we're gonna play? Open your eyes. What the fuck is in my mouth?
I don't remember this on the sign-off sheet. Do you play this every show?
This is a new segment of the show that I've never done before, and it's called "What the fuck is in my mouth?" Close your eyes and open your mouth.
Should she peel them? Should she freeze them? Should she bake them in a pie? She has so many apples, she don't know what to do.
These are kangaroo balls. Yes.
Apples, she don't know what to do. She has so many.
Can you see oozingness coming out of the side?
My God, it smells so good.
Is it hot? It might be kind of. Okay.
Oh my God, that's really good. It's really good.
It's amazing. You know what that is? Can you guess?
Sounds like a grilled ham and cheese.
So that is a triple cream brie that's got mushrooms in it
What?
with a slice of jalapeno spam.
No way.
Sending off a kiss. So you got to collect the kiss first, right? So now it's sitting there, and they're gonna blow it. We want to give it a good trajectory. And now let go. Dink, dink. It just landed.
Where?
Good job. I don't know, but we heard it.
Emily has apples, she has many, many apples. She has so many apples, she don't know what to do. Should she peel them? Should she freeze them? Should she bake them in a pie? She has so many apples, she don't know what to do.
All right. If it landed somewhere we don't want it to land, can we redirect it?
Just do
Just do
it's,
more?
It's a numbers
You do more,
game,
okay.
yeah. Thank you for watching. Okay, so that was a pretty.
Oh my
good
God,
day
that
for
was
like,
so
oh my
delicious.
God, like,
What a
the
great
fuck was
surprise. Know where this finger's been.
that? That part doesn't bother me.
Or she might, actually. She does been. Yes. You know,
All right.
takes one to know one.
This is definitely going to be one of the shoots that you are going to be watching yourself and like, oh my God. Totally not going to have a lot of recall to the moment, but that's a lot of fun.
The kid from, do you remember?
That's who it is.
No. It's not.
Need to.
Kill some people.
Well, no.
I know people that can happen. Because then there's no guilt. Nobody's guilty. Nobody has hurt feelings. They feel nothing because they're dead. I think that's just a better way to go, and it's so much cheaper.